This video shows how to replace the air shroud on a PowerEdge XE2420. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, first, remove the system cover. Loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system and lift the system cover out. To replace the air shroud, you must first remove the GPU risers. Starting with GPU riser 2, loosen the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Now, holding the blue touch points, lift the riser and keep it upside down on the chassis frame. Then, disconnect the GPU power cables connecting to the PIB and move the riser out of the system. For GPU riser 1, first, disconnect the PCIe cables from the interposer board and repeat the same steps as riser 2. Now, for the air shroud. Holding the blue touch points, lift it out of the system. To replace the air shroud, lower the air shroud until it is firmly seated. Next, reinstall the GPU risers. Starting with GPU riser 1, reconnect the GPU power cables and insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Now, reconnect the PCIe cables to the interposer board. Next, reinstall GPU riser 2. For GPU riser 2, reconnect the GPU power cables and insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Then, tighten the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Finally, replace the system cover and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the air shroud on a PowerEdge XE2420. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.